Paragraph 6A, title policy. Now, we know that traditionally title policy is paid for by the seller, but as a very creative means of contract negotiation, I've actually asked in the past, especially when I was submitting either low offers or in a multiple offer situation, I've told my buyers, listen, you're moving here under a relo company. Relocation companies often pay many or all of the closing costs on behalf of the buyer. So what you need to do is look at your relo docs, because if title policy is one of those reimbursable fees, we can take that dollar amount off of the seller's ledger and have the relo company pay for it. Now that's going to make your offer even more attractive to that seller. Another thing that we've talked about in the past on paragraph 6A title policy is the new amended bounds. And what we want to do pretty much every time is go ahead and check the box that says that any shortages in area will be amended or deleted, because what's going to happen is there's going to be a fee that is charged to either the buyer or the seller. There's a checkbox there, and the fee is minimal. It's 5% of the cost of the title policy, so usually less than a couple of $100 in order to get an extra level of protection in case there is a discrepancy or an error with the survey.